So how many times can you reuse the same rotors when replacing your brake pads? So here we're gonna look at, here the tires are moved, and we're just gonna take a peek inside the caliper, and we see that the brake pads are starting to wear to the low mark indicator, but there's still a decent amount of pad left. But if we check on the other side, we can see that there's not much going on there, and at the bottom there's even less pad than the tops. So what we can see here is on the other side the pads are running a bit quicker and they're getting pretty low. So since it's a cold winter day, I don't want to spend too much time out in the snow, and I'd rather just replace the brake pads rather than the rotor as well. So here's one way you can test to see if you can reuse your rotors again. You'll need a caliper micrometer, and for this Kia the service limit it's 26.4 millimeters. Anything lower than that for this vehicle, I cannot reuse a rotor. So we'll measure 3 sides of the rotor and see what we get. So we'll measure the top part and press that in. We get about 27.63. That's not very accurate because there's a rust on the top here, which is kind of giving it extra width, which is kind of a false measurement, so we'll have to fix that up. So we'll use a file to file down the side we want to measure, and just a bit there. Try to match that on the other side of the rotor until you see the metal rotor showing through. Just a bit, and same with the other side. See a bit showing, and then we can measure it. And we get about 26.97. Here we're about 26.95. And for the last one, so that looks pretty good. Seems to be in good shape for one more use, since it's above 26.4 millimeters. So there you go. That's how you can check if your rotors can be reused again for your brake job. And this is now the 3rd time I'm using these rotors to do the brake job, so this should be the last one, and you save money twice without buying an extra rotor. So I hope that helped.
Automotive for beginners.